Hey, if you spend a lot of time on the trail, like hiking, motorcycle, kayaking, whatever, probably used these before. These are the Mountain House food. Um, Backpackers Pantry is another one. A lot of people just use stuff like this, which I do a lot. Mashed potatoes are one of my favorite. Sometimes I mix this with like ramen noodles and stuff. Sounds kind of gross, but it fills you up. But lately, I've been making my own meals because the Mountain House, they taste pretty good. They cook real easy. They're pretty expensive if you live off of them for quite a bit of time. And they cost anywhere from $5 to $10 a meal. So it adds up really fast. Plus they take up a lot of space. They don't pack down real tight. I make these myself, and you can see I could put 3 of these in the space of one of these, and it's almost the same amount of food actually. So this is like freeze-dried rice and seasoning mix and stuff, and I think there's like freeze-dried vegetables and stuff in there, and I repackage them into these bags, and they're basically just what do you call it, vacuum seal bags, but they're made to be boiled in water. I think some people use these for like marinating meat, and then they boil it in or something, not really sure. Either way, you could put boiling water in these. So I use them just like the Mountain House, and I like to use these little like pouches here. You put your food in there, and you pour the boiling water in just like you normally would, and then close it up. It's got, a little thing to hold it right there. And then you set it aside for a while, and it kind of tastes better if everything sits for a while before you eat it, especially the Mountain House and some of this other stuff. And it works with everything. I don't pour boiling water directly in these pouches here because it doesn't work. I tried it, but these work better than the Mountain House, and I can make these for less than $2 each. And even more importantly, I can pack a lot of these on a bike. And depending on the kind of ride I'm on, sometimes I don't really pack much food at all because I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at restaurants and stuff like that I find on the road. Other times I don't see people for a long time, so I have to kind of fend for myself, and these have become my favorite. Pretty self-explanatory how to make it. You get a vacuum seal bag machine, some of these bags, and they got to be the ones you can boil water in. And you just put it in there and seal it, and they're pretty durable. You just take it, rip the top open or cut it, put it in the pouch, let it sit with boiling water for a while till it's a comfortable temperature to eat, then eat it. There's not much more to it than that. But I just thought I'd show these little things. They look kind of like burritos, but I got a lot of different ones. These 3 here are rice, but I've done like ramen bombs with them. If you don't know what that is, just Google it. There's tons of YouTube videos on how to make it, and just all kinds of stuff. I've also dehydrated my own food and made my own meals from total scratch. It's pretty cool, but very time consuming. Anyways, thanks for watching.